Why are we here? Because as Panther, we created our Panther Surgical Academy because we think that it's really important to help surgeons to learn, to share experience, to understand the right technique. And so it's not just a matter of give a product and show the product, but it's really something important for us, share experience with them.
We are in the new campus of the Nova Medical School in Carcavelos. This is the first course this year of Panther with us doing the Uniportal surgery in cadaver lab. As you can see, we have 5 stations today with all the technology, all the best instruments to work and the best technology to do our minimal invasive surgeries.
This is the setup perfect for Uniportal. You see? And you dissect here, look, working through the inferior part of the incision, you see? And the assistant always like this. Yeah? Okay?
The lectures, the experience itself, learning from the masters. In the wet lab, the experience is even better.
We learned a lot about how to start with Uniportal VATS, tips and tricks. We also had a live case of a segmentectomy. We have the cadaver course, and now we're doing a lobectomy. It's very nice.
We have 5 surgical tables and all the participants are doing Uniportal VATS technique. It's a very modern and very new center with the best views to the ocean.